Hey guys, so we got through a week of movie reviews. Pretty awesome. I think it went well. It went quite well. Like I said, I'm still up for the Alien 3 and 4 and Predator 1 and 2 and even AVP 1 and 2 reviews. If you guys want to do those, go ahead and push them, and we'll do it. I think that they're not great movies, but that doesn't mean I won't tear them apart and review them. We reviewed Mr. Nanny. We gotta remember how I thought about that, but it doesn't mean that it won't be good. I have Fargo. I don't have Buffalo 66. So we can review Fargo. Neil, whenever you're ready. What have I been doing? Well, this is a reading day, which is basically last day of classes was yesterday, and now we have finals. I had a paper that I wrote yesterday and turned in today that was sort of a final paper for a class. So hopefully that goes well. This is my sheet of things I need to get done. You can see things have been crossed out. These bottom things are 3 tests. Basically, I've got a really stupid paper, some survey, and 5 sheets to fill out, and then a test on Thursday this week, and then I've got my senior project. I did my presentation yesterday for my senior project, which went well. It went quite well. So I have to do the actual technical report for that and turn that in next Monday. And then I've got a test on, let me check my calendar. My calendar of bunny suicides. That's right. Nothing but, let me just pull this up for you. Nothing but class here. And I have a final on Monday, a final on Tuesday, and on Wednesday I have something that isn't actually, I'm not going to be graded on it, but I have to be there for a friend / project person. I'm helping someone with another class. I don't know. It's my senior project and his senior project and another guy's senior project split across 2 classes, and so the other guy's grade is dependent on this presentation next Wednesday. But I could show up naked and get arrested for public indecency. Yeah. So let's work on not doing that. Today I basically spent the entire day working on this Google site. I have been extremely interested in websites and sort of webcomics, web development, that sort of stuff. I don't know, I used to have a much more artistic eye for design, and I've lost that. And I've got a tablet now, so I started playing with Flash and a bunch of Adobe products, and I was thinking about doing some stuff with Dreamweaver, but then my friend was like, don't use Dreamweaver, it sucks. It does terrible CSS, just do it yourself. And I was like, okay, I don't know anything about CSS, but sure, why not? For a programmer, I know nothing about web development, not a damn thing. I am all on the computer, sort of Java, C, Python development, nothing at all with web services. And so I'm slowly learning how to do more stuff with that. Today, for example, I repackaged one of my old applications, which you can see once I talk about that later, but repackaged one of my old applications into entirely a jar, whereas before the code was in a jar and all of the data was elsewhere, but now it's all in the jar, which is kind of cool, because that means that you can just give someone one file and they can run your program, which I'm going to be doing some more stuff with in the future. So yeah, it's cool. And dun, and the site, right. So anyway, because I'm working on all that web stuff, there's this site which I'm going to link to over here that I made today. I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts on it. Neil especially, Jake, you're the artist, especially your thoughts, although Neil, I certainly want yours as well, on my cool stuff that I have on it, and obviously I have links to everything that I am associated with, including this channel on it, so yeah. I wasted my day making a web page, and I wanted to make something way prettier, but you really can't do much with Google, so I guess I could have taken like crazy background images, but instead I just went with very simplistic background images. Yeah. I don't know. I really want a really like swooshy, cool web page to put a bunch of really like nifty things on, but I don't have the ability to make those swooshy things yet, and so I will train myself. That'll be my pet project this summer, will be to become better at making artsy things for the webs, for the tubes. Anyway, that's all I got. Neil, looking forward to seeing you tomorrow and hearing about you. And Jake, like the hat hair. Now, do you call it hat hair because you need to wear a hat to cover it, or because the hair was created that way from a hat? Because I always thought hat hair you got from wearing a hat. It wasn't hair you hid with a hat. Anyway, that didn't go anywhere. I'll see you guys.